Hi, I'm Nick, and this is Cupid's arrow. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how this almost magical arrow shoots a potent injection of pure love into a man's heart, causing him to immediately see you as the one he wants to be with forever, his other half, his soulmate. This magic arrow flips a switch in the mind of even the most wishy-washy and indifferent man, injecting him with a potent rush of love, desire, and obsession for you, and causing him to see you as the woman who completes him, who he's meant to be with, who he has to have by his side forever. This unusual arrow works like a charm in regular relationships too, to bring out his most devoted, passionate, hopeless romantic side. In fact, you could even shoot it at a guy who specifically says he doesn't want a relationship right now, and you'll be shocked at how quickly he changes his tune. You simply point it at him, let the arrow fly, and you'll shoot a potent injection of love through his veins, making his heart, body, and soul yours forever. I gave it to Becky, and she used it on her man, who routinely refused to commit. Now, he's bragging to his family and friends about how he's in a relationship with the one. I gave it to Carrie, who used it on a guy who told her that he was flat out not interested, and he ended up making a fool of himself, frantically calling and texting her, begging her for a date. I gave it to Sarah, who used it on a self-proclaimed ladies' man, and I just received a thank you letter from her, along with an invitation to their wedding. Pay close attention, because by the end of this short presentation, I'll do much more than tell you what made these miraculous stories take place. I'm going to show you how to shoot Cupid's arrow directly through the heart of the man you want, so he falls deeply, passionately, and completely in love with you, to the point where he sees you as the one, and works to keep you happy and by his side forever. It has nothing to do with how pretty you think you are, your age, or your dress size. This magic arrow exploits a biological trigger found in every man, which drenches his mind in nature's love hormone, triggering an overwhelming, profound, and deep feeling that you are the one, the woman he's meant to be with for the rest of his life. Once he feels this, everything changes. He'll start pursuing you, treating you as his #1 priority, and doing everything in his power to make you smile. Hundreds of women are already secretly using this to capture the heart of men who would typically ignore them, reject them, or just sleep with them without committing. Here's what these women are saying. Elizabeth from Sacramento, California. Quote, "When I found your site, I thought it was bullcrap and probably a scam. At the time, my guy was pulling away, and everything I tried just seemed to make it worse. I figured I had nothing to lose, so I used your approach, even though it sounded too good to be true. When I did, my guy actually started crying. He said that he'd been a fool, and that he knew I was his one true love. That was the moment that I knew this really works, and it changed everything for me. Our relationship has been amazing ever since." End of quote. Sarah from Huntington, New York. "Thanks for breaking it down into a simple recipe that actually works in real life. I've read tons of books on relationships, and they always sounded great until I tried to apply any of it. Your approach was much easier. I did what you said, and my guy proposed to me." End of quote. Linda from Dallas, Texas. Quote, "It's really like shooting Cupid's arrow straight into his heart." End of quote. I'll show you exactly how they got those results, but before I do, I must warn you, this is not a game. I need you to agree to use this in an ethical manner. Please do not use this to break up happy relationships or marriages. Even if he begs you to be with him, you must be prepared for him to form an extreme emotional attachment to you. This love hormone makes a man feel such intense feelings for you. He will literally turn into an obsessive stalker who is so addicted to you he can't function without